314159 UGCVMALL is an internet-based marketplace that works in the Pi currency. GCV, also known as Global Currency Value, aims to make PI show its value based on real barter data from GCV merchants. 314159 UGCVMALL allows GCV merchants to perform the sale using Pi as a currency. 314159U has a vision to make Pi's value tangible. The marketplace works in both B2C and B2B modes, which means it enables both sellers and buyers to trade items directly or indirectly. Need of 314159 UGCVMALL PiNetwork is a type of cryptocurrency which has the vision to be interactive and accessible to all. It also aims to empower individuals and companies. However, the PiNetwork has not launched on Mainnet due to being in an early stage. It implies that Pi coins cannot be used for exchanging other currencies, goods, or services, but the users are still wondering how to use their Pi coins in reality and what the value of Pi is. GCV, started by 314159U, relies on the idea that the value of currency is measured by the things that it can buy. So the real value should be determined by the trading data of Pi users who are exchanging goods and services for Pi. GCV is calculated by a formula that focuses on the supply and demand of Pi, denoted by S and D respectively. The inflation rate of Pi is denoted by I, and the average price of goods and services in Pi is denoted by features of the 314159 UGCVMALL. It has multilingual translations for the user's comfort. Buyers and sellers can talk to each other for clear communication. The mall provides a receipt and the option to track your orders. Buyers can request a refund for their product. You can withdraw your P balance. Users can pay without any handling fee. How to become a 314159 UGCVMALL merchant. Download the PiNetwork app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store to register yourself as a Pi user. Fill in your details like your Pi username, contact details, product description, price in Pi, and proof of delivery in the Pi GCV merchant application. You will receive a message regarding confirmation and a GCV merchant badge after the acceptance of your application by the 314159U team. You can sell your goods on 314159 UGCV Mall and post offers on Facebook and Telegram groups. Benefits of the 314159 UGCVMALL coins can be used in the real world, and you can sell and buy goods and services with Pi. Users can help the PiNetwork grow by increasing the supply and demand of Pi. Merchants can reach a wide audience for their products and services and get feedback for improvement. You can get bonuses, GCV points, and incentives for your performance and for achieving goals. How to make a purchase on 314159 UGCVMALL. Join the PiNetwork app as a Pi user. Choose the product that you want to buy and contact the GCV merchant to make a purchase. You can pay the GCV merchant with Pi coins, and you will receive a receipt for your payment. Buyers get the option to track the status of delivery of their orders using the GCV tracker, which allows you to rate your experience. Pros of 314159 UGCVMALL. The website provides a secure connection. Security engines do not block its domain. In conclusion, 314159 UGCVMALL has a vision to use Pi as a currency. GCV merchants can use their Pi coins in real-world transactions and contribute to building a decentralized economy. Don't forget to click subscribe, like,